Energy security begins with PowerPro Service Company. You're one call away from an automatic standby generator. When the next power outage hits, within seconds, the automatic generator will supply the electricity you need to keep your family safe, warm, and happy. PowerPro is an authorized dealer of all the major brands of generators. Generac, Kohler, Briggs & Stratton make dozens of models and sizes, and our experts can match a generator to your specific needs. Whether you want to power your entire home or just critical circuits to keep the heat and lights on, PowerPro offers turnkey service for all of your needs. Fire and safety code, along with local zoning laws, must be followed in the placement of an automatic generator. PowerPro's experts will ensure compliance, arranging for surveys and securing the necessary permits. Licensed and certified electricians and technicians will then hook your generator into your existing electrical system, perform the initial startup, and begin your factory-authorized warranty. With the next power outage, your automatic standby generator will go on and supply power for as long as you need it. PowerPro has a full range of services to make sure your automatic generator remains dependable and operates at 100% efficiency. We offer preventative maintenance contracts, remote monitoring, and extended warranties. One phone call to PowerPro will give your family energy security and enhance the value of your home. Call now to prepare for the storm. If not, then be prepared for the dark. Automatic standby generators. Select PowerPro. The provider is as important as the product.